breaking news. The deadly winter weather emergency unfolding across Texas and much of the South is becoming even more dangerous tonight, with millions of Americans heading into another night of brutal cold without heat, power, or clean water.
అరే ఆ వెంటుంది నీళ్ళు వస్తుంది ఓకేనా
Well, take a look at this. As Texans brace for even more winter weather, grocery stores are being inundated with customers. Just take a look at the line you see there. It just stretches for what looks like a mile at best, and people are rushing to stock up on supplies. This video was taken in Austin, and you see the line of shoppers never ending, stretching on forever as people anxiously wait their turn to go inside. That's just awful.
Look at this cool thing on my tree. It's like straight out of Frozen.
And this is the microwave in 2021 when you need to reheat dinner.
Now that's one way to cook dinner. Ooh, careful. Beautiful.
And this is the water fountain now. We just got put on boil notice, so I had to wait for the power to come on, then boil it. Then I got to fill every container I've got. I've got one over there for Baron and a tub full of water that'll be good for him.
do what you gotta do.
Well, 10:45 p.m. and now all water has stopped. That's rough.
Can you get back in? Oh my god, it's so fucking cold. Yay, it's so cold, y'all. And I don't have any electricity right now. I think I'm gonna die.
How about a drink?
Our water in Texas is now contaminated with parasites. Do not drink the water. They are sending warnings out telling people do not drink the water. Do not brush your teeth with the water. So pretty much they tell y'all to run the water to keep the pipes from freezing.
It's fucking no! Fuck!
Families without heat, without power. At least 140 cases of carbon monoxide poisoning in Houston alone. That woman and an 8-year-old girl dying after authorities say they were trying to stay warm using the car in the garage.
First thing you're going to do is hang up a blanket to make a warm room. Everyone's going to get in that room, grandma, grandpa, aunts, uncles, cats, dogs, stray raccoon. Then you're going to get a heater. So, you know how to have electricity. Get a candle, a pan, and a pot. Light the candle, put the pot over it. That is the heater for your warm room. Make a couple of those because they work really well. You'll be toasty in no time. Make sure to drip your faucets so your pipes don't freeze. Open your cupboards as well. Leave them open until you've had heat on in your house for at least 4 hours. You got some of these laying around, some thermoses, go out to your garage, fire up your grill, and fill them with hot water. Boil some water out there. You don't have any mittens? No problem. Get some socks, cut off the toes, figure out where your thumb is, little tiny snip, and voila, you've got some hand warmers.
All right, you guys, so we are on the access road of I-35 where we're 2 minutes from the house, but all of the melt started refreezing, and tonight we're going to be near 0 degrees, so traffic backed up and people are stuck, and we pulled over so we don't get hit, but we're going to go.
All right.
Just want to see. It looks so scary.
Look at my job, y'all.
Guys, so this is my house. I don't know what to do. It's all, everything's flooded.
I got back today home and there's no power. Still, there is no water, and now there is no even cold water. So we had cold water yesterday, but there is no cold water. So it's been over 24 hours already since we don't have anything. It's like 50 degrees inside of our house. So now I'm probably gonna go to one of my friends, but I'm gonna stay for the next day or 2 days. I'm not sure for how long, but hopefully it's gonna get better.
This shit is crazy. I cannot believe this shit. So we had to clear it out. Like, look at this shit. I had to clear it out before I get this shit, bro. Yo, this shit. Wow, bro. Like, literally. I think this shit called candlewood. Oh, shit. This is Candlewood Sweet. Yeah, I'm not really gonna do anything here. I bursted that bitch.
Elderly people are slipping and busting up their faces in the back of their heads because they don't know how to walk on snow and ice. People's animals are dying because their power's been out for over 72 hours, and certain animals need heat lamps, like birds and lizards. People are without water and have been without water. People's pipes are busting and flooding their homes they just had rebuilt from the 2017 Harvey flood. Some of us haven't spoken to our family in days because cell towers are down. You only can go through so many canned goods before there's nothing left and you literally don't have food to eat. Like I said, cell towers are down, so we can't even get on Google to look up things and see how to keep warm. And even if we could, we couldn't go anywhere to get these materials anyway, because we don't have them. We live in Texas. We don't have the materials you're telling us we need.
Let's see what happens when I throw this out.
So if I was sleeping 2 or 3 people in there, man, there's going to be a huge difference of the warmth inside of this space with 2 or 3 people than there will be just sleeping in your bed out in the open.